The falling leaves drift by my window. The falling leaves of red and gold. Part of me really believes that it is almost the earth fighting back. You know, I really do think that animals fighting back. The way the whole thing may have occurred. I see your lips, the summer kisses, the sunburned hand. People have just done way too much to the planet, you know, and something had to happen. And if this is it, well, that's great. I don't think people will learn. It's human nature just to keep going, keep going, keep going. And people say we'll pause and reset, but I don't think we will. It's very hard sometimes. Like, you know, I have had days in the past few months, in October, I don't know why, just like looking out the window and looking at the floor and, you know, like deep, deep, dark, dark days, you know. When I didn't want to, when I couldn't figure out if there's ever a way out of this, or is this it, like, for me? You know, is life over as I know it, you know? I had to cancel it. We knew in March that everything would be cancelled. 35 concerts from Iceland to Finland to Norway to Glastonbury Festival and loads of festivals in Ireland and England. The worst day ever was actually realising in May that this wasn't going to go away you know, quickly. When the anger at losing all the concerts and all my plans and all the air flights that we had bought for me and the band, when the anger subsided, I had an acceptance. So what am I going to do? So I decided, okay, well, I'll just be here. I have learned in my life into practice, like, just be. So I was up the mountain, down the mountain, all over the place. I have never been in Ireland for so long with my family, for more than 35 years. So when, I think it was in June, we were allowed to come together, 6 people from different, you know. And so my first instinct was to bring the band out. So we had a full sound in the garden, speakers and electricity and lights. How do I mend it? I gotta cry and drag you started. How do I end it? As long as I can sing, as long as I can hear music with my band or do some project, I'm happy.